All right, so when we look at pH, so when we first prepared our indicator, so that's what we did here. So we had our thymol blue and then we just added water. And then basically what we're going to do is we're going to add solutions, we added solutions to all of these to be able to create acidic and alkaline solutions. So in this one, we added your NaHSO4, citric acid, and then the citric acid and the Na2CO3, and then we added our baking soda, our NaHCO3, and then we added the Na2CO3 here. So then when we add the indicator dye, we're going through, and each of these started this original color and then ended with pink. What's this, buddy? Orange, yellow. This is like a greenish gray.
It's a brown.
Yeah, brownish gray. And then a purple. So in this case, so our purpley blue is our indicator that's now the pH of over 10, and then our all the way down to our pinky red, and that's a pH of less than 1. So basically, when we look at our pH, a pH is basically an aqueous solution that's consistent of more than just water. They have other molecules like ions, and pH is an important solution where the characteristics are determined by the concentrations of your hydrogen ions and your hydroxide ions. So your hydrogen is the plus, the hydroxide is the negative. So if a solution has an excess of hydroxide ions, or your OH, its pH is going to be higher than 7, so it's going to be alkaline, or basic, okay? So this one here has a lot of hydroxide ions. And then if you have your hydrogen and your hydroxide ions, they will form water molecules. So then there's no excess of your hydrogen or your hydroxide. So the pH is equal to water, or 7, and these solutions are considered neutral. So this is, so that's right. So that's our neutral solution because we added equal amounts of acid and base. Right. So then if a solution has an excess of hydrogen ions, its pH will be lower than 7, and these are considered acidic. So do you know that, so that's the acidic one right there. So that has extra hydrogen. This one has extra hydroxide. So in your body actually has buffering systems that do this for you. And so your body knows that it wants to be kind of like here, because it's dangerous if our body's too far here or too far here. So we have different buffering systems. So your lungs, your kidneys. So your kidneys are going to help you pee out the extra hydrogen. Okay, so that's, so our pee is yellow. I know. I know. Why did I have to put that on video? Because mommy teaches about pee, so that's the way it is. And so then you're breathing out your CO2 to help eliminate that with your lungs. You also have your hemoglobin system. It's a protein. It helps buffer. You have your phosphate system. That's protein that'll help you buffer your body as well. So it's pretty cool. So this was kind of a fun, colorful way to show that.